Hey everybody, it's Dianna Prince and I'm here with Atomic Jane Clothing. That's atomicjaneclothing.com. I wanted to do a product review today on one of my favorite dresses. I love them all, but I really do love this one, of course, because of the polka dots, but I love the way that it flares out and all the many poses that I can do with it. So this reminds me of something like an I Love Lucy kind of housewife dress. I mean, she was dressed so smartly and beautifully, but yet at the same time she was wearing aprons and she was cooking and cleaning. I can very much relate to that, and I have some beautiful vintage aprons that I want to show you today, so you can see how easy it is to use a dress from Atomic Jane Clothing and incorporate some vintage aprons. So I don't have a mirror in front of me. I'm just doing this because I'm used to putting aprons on a lot, and I love my vintage aprons, just like I love all of my vintage props that I've collected over the years. So this is what you call like a cocktail serving apron, and I love the color, the mustard color. And again, all these are vintage, so it really means a lot to me that I own them because they're all from the late 50s and early 60s. I really love this one too. I love them all, and I love the colors on this one. I love the heart shape. This is perfect for a well, if you were really serving on Valentine's Day or a Valentine's Day photo shoot, just like all of the dresses that I've received from Atomic Jane. They are all perfect for pinup photo shoots or events, and I'm dropping some of my aprons over here. This one, again, I love, they all have different material, and the design of all of them is all completely different. So, and then the colors, obviously. So I'm in love with them all, as I keep saying. They're all very unique and individual. And these were well taken care of, because for them to be over 50 years old, obviously someone took really good care of this. So on to the next one. This one is a light pink, and the pattern on the front, plus all of the details. I don't know if you can see it, but that's the reason why I really love this dress, because it's all black on the bottom part, and so you can see the details of each apron. And like I said, these aprons are like almost 60 years old, some of them, so very, very happy to have them. And I love being able to incorporate modern items like these glasses and this little scarf with my Atomic Jane, and making it vintage by adding vintage props and by adding vintage things like aprons and things like that. And the shoes that I'm wearing as well, they are vintage, they're clear. I don't know if you can see them, but I really love this dress, and I love all of my dresses from Atomic Jane. So go to atomicjaneclothing.com and you can use my code and get 25% off, and that's Dianna Prince 25 off. Okay? Thank you for watching. I love this dress. I love the way it fits, and this is my product review today.